Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best 2-drawer vertical metal file cabinet available right now. The Vasagle 2-drawer file cabinet. Model UOFC040B16. If you're looking for a compact, stylish, and highly functional filing solution for your home office or workspace, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with design. This file cabinet has a sleek and minimalist aesthetic with a matte black finish that blends into almost any decor. Whether you're going for modern, industrial, or something in between, it's going to fit right in. The cabinet is compact, 15.7 inches deep, 16.5 inches wide, and 27.6 inches high, meaning it easily slides under most standard desks, freeing up valuable floor space while still providing plenty of storage. The storage capabilities are impressive for its size. It features 2 large drawers designed to accommodate A4 and letter-sized documents. Each drawer can comfortably hold between 90 to 130 sheets. Inside, you'll find adjustable hanging rails that make organizing your files seamless. Whether it's invoices, contracts, or everyday paperwork, everything stays neat and within reach. One of the standout features is its mobility. Equipped with 5 360-degree swivel casters, this cabinet moves smoothly across most surfaces. The 2 front casters are lockable, so once you've rolled it into place, it stays put. And to prevent tipping when the drawers are fully extended, there's a 5th caster under the bottom drawer for added stability. It's a smart design that balances convenience and safety. Build quality is always a concern, especially for furniture that holds important documents. Vasagle has constructed this cabinet using a combination of steel, plastic, and particle board, which gives it a sturdy yet lightweight feel. Each drawer supports up to 22 pounds, and the total cabinet holds up to 77 pounds, more than enough for home office needs. The materials also contribute to a professional, high-end look without the high-end price tag. Worried about putting it together? Don't be. The cabinet ships with clearly labeled parts and illustrated instructions that make assembly straightforward, even if you're not a DIY expert. You'll have it fully assembled and ready to roll in no time. So to sum it up, this is a compact yet spacious, mobile yet stable, stylish yet affordable file cabinet. Whether you're working from home, setting up a study corner, or just need better paper organization, the Vasagle 2-drawer file cabinet hits the sweet spot. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another honest product breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.